Well, hello, Spyder Wayne here, and it is Friday, March 29th. It's Good Friday, so today is a good day to install some more lighting on my Spyder here, the kind of lighting that tells the other drivers to please don't kill me. It's always a good thing to make yourself more visible. This is an auxiliary LED light bar. It's going to go on the front of the Spyder here. So before the install, I'm just going to check what a couple things look like before I install this light bar. Okay, so the headlights come on. Nice straight line along there. I'm curious if the bottom of the garage will look lighter after I install this light bar. Turn that off. While we're out here, I'm going to show some other LED lights I've already installed on here. I didn't videotape it because it would have been a long video. So that's what they look like as running lights. If I put my four-ways on, we'll see what they do. So the floorboards, they flash yellow. The red light at the back of the wheel here, it has a sequential indicator red. Like I said, it may look white in the video, but it's red. And on the side, of course, it's amber. They are bright. Anybody behind me or coming up beside me will definitely see those. Okay, so in the box is the LED light bar that will go on the front of the Spyder. It's a plug and play. And I got this from Slingmods. The price on it lately has been really good. It says $80 off. I got it for $69.99. So, and I looked today, it was still $69.99. I bought this a few weeks ago. What comes in the box is the light, 4 Phillips screws, and some instructions. So the only tool I will need is a Phillips head screwdriver. But what's really interesting, the instructions, it shows completely taking the front of the Spyder off to do the install, which is not the case here in the US or probably in North America. The plug, the auxiliary plug that this will plug into, it exists on my Spyder, right behind a little plastic panel that I'll remove. But overseas and possibly over in Australia, that plug isn't there. So in the kit comes a longer wire. So for people that might buy this, they will take the whole front of their Spyder off. Wow, that's a lot of work. And then run the wire back to the next closest auxiliary plug. So, but we won't be doing that, so it should be quick and easy. Okay, it turns out we need a second tool. The instructions didn't mention that the 2 screws holding this little plastic cover on are a Torx T10. I guess I could have looked. So we'll remove these 2 T10 Torx screws. This comes out. There's the plug and play plug already attached to the plastic cover. It comes off by lifting, yeah, there's a little lever there. Lift and pull. There's the plug. Cool. So we won't need that. And we won't need those 2 T10 Torx screws. All right, so here's the new light bar, and it will go in there's 2 holes here that'll screw in there with the 2 new Phillips screws and the other 2 on this side. First, let's plug it in and test it out. All right, so plug it in till that lever clips on there. Let's just feed the wiring in and we'll test it out. Turn on the running lights, but I haven't started the engine, and they don't come on with that. So we'll start the bike. There we go. Working, so they only work when the bike's running. Okay, let's get this thing battened down. All right, so we have our 4 new Phillips head screws. Okay, time to just snug them down. Okay, we're screwing in plastic, so we'd want to over tighten. Just make them good and snug. Snug. All right, that's good and solid. Start the Spyder up. And I can see some lighting along the floor. They look pretty bright though. Block off the headlights. Okay, that's it. Easy install. Thank you for sticking around. Happy Easter, everybody. I will leave a link below to the Slingmods page where I ordered these. And until next time, please take care.